Guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rats. Number 1. Mothballs. Mothballs are effective repellents and they will successfully keep rats away from your place. They are easily available in markets. Simply place a few of them in your kitchen, attic or any area you fear the presence of rats, and this will successfully find them off and kill them. You need to be extra cautious while dealing with mothballs, especially indoors as they are poisons and their smells is harmful for humans. So always touch them with gloves, and if you have kids or pets at home, then keep them away from their range. Number 2. Ammonia. Ammonia is a powerful and practical repellent for rats as they can't stand the pungent smell of ammonia and therefore leave the place. For this, make a mixture of ammonia in water. Pour 1/4 water in a bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons of detergent and 2 cups of regular ammonia in it. Then place this bowl in the area infested by rats and let it do the job. Number 3. Peppermint oil. So we like the refreshing scent of peppermint oil. For rats, it turns out to be a better smell which they can't stand. Dip some cotton balls in peppermint oil and spread them in your house, kitchen, attic or any rat-prone area. This will surely deter the rats away from your home. Not only this, grow peppermint plants around your house boundary and it will guard your place against these irksome rodents. You can also use citronella and castor oil as an effective alternative to peppermint oil.